So the next concept is resistivity. Resistivity is again defined from the resistance that we have found. Resistance is directly proportional to the length of the conductor, and it is inversely proportional to the area of cross section. And so when you combine these, I need to remove the proportionality sign and include a equal to sign, so for which there is a constant which is sigma, which is introduced. So here in this relation I can write this as R is equal to 1 by sigma into L by A. This 1 by sigma, which is inverse of conductivity. What is reverse of conductivity? Maybe in reverse of conductivity is resistivity. So hence in the place of 1 by sigma I can write it as rho. Rho is nothing but the density of the material. So rho, here rho is equal to R into A by L. There is an experiment, there is a practical experiment that you have where you need to find out the resistivity of the material of the wire. It is always only for a particular material, it is constant. So how to define now rho? Where I am going to consider area to be 1 meter square and length to be 1 meter. Then in that condition what happens? Rho will be equal to R. So how can I define now rho now? Resistivity of a material is defined as the resistance offered to the current when unit length having unit area of cross section. When you have unit length and unit area of cross section is going to be considered, then this resistivity is nothing but the resistance, but it takes only the value of the resistance alone. Their concepts are different. Resistance is different and resistivity is different.